This is my customized trailer for the TRX4-M by Traxxas. I had an idea for an off-road trailer and contacted Robert over at Scale 4x4 Factory on Etsy, who, after receiving my trailer, printed out these accessories. This is a trailer tire and jerry cans that can mount on the front or back. Here's some extra stanchions for the rooftop tent or whatever you're trying to put in there. They fit into the stake holes that are already in the trailer. This is a storage box that mounts on the tongue in lieu of the trailer spare tire, but I prefer the spare tire. He creates these cool little baskets. I've seen them on other projects he's done. And he also includes this double-sided clear 3M tape, which is real helpful in getting everything situated. Again, here's his contact information if you'd like to have work with him on any project or look at whatever else he has for sale for other models. Just stop by his Etsy store. Thanks.